Hey guys, today we're gonna do a quick video and we're gonna talk about the 5.3 Chevy Avalanche. And this is a setup with a K&N intake, cold air intake, as you can see, and also with a 50 flowmaster series exhaust. Just a quick little walk around. I'm gonna start it up so you could hear what it sounds like. Anyways, yeah. The intake is here. This is how it sounds when it shuts off. I hope you did hear this. Start it up one more time. I'm gonna keep the camera right. Let me see. I'll try to find somewhere where I could rest this so I could rev it up. Hope you guys heard this. This is the intake right there. Now we're gonna take a little walk to the back. And we have the dual exhaust in the back. Listen to this. To be really honest, guys, this is just right. It's not too loud. And when you're driving on the highway, you don't really hear it on the inside too very much as well. And I also like the little sound that the K&N intake has as well. It's a little bit more. I put it on, I didn't have to do any tuning or anything to it, so it also just gave it one of those very nice little sound as well. They're a bit pricey. It's like $400 brand new. The good thing is I didn't have to pay for it because I had it sitting in one of the other trucks that we had. So I just took it out from the other truck and dropped it in here. I made a video on installing this. I really like the sound that it makes. This is temporarily. I have the other one that fits in here way better than this. I'm gonna clean it out and paint it and put it in. This is just a temporary thing right there. I also have the rubber that goes around here as well. The day I did that, it was raining, so I just put it on, listen to hear how it sounds, and if you ask me, it sounds amazing. So this little rattling that you hear in there is coming from this right here. I'm pretty sure you heard it when I was revving it. Anyways, the engine is really good.